everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Scrabble Go. If you're looking for a way to change your profile picture on Scrabble Go application, then here is how you can easily do it. Open your Scrabble Go app from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage for Scrabble Go, tap on your profile picture located at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on the camera icon right beneath your profile picture at the top, and from the change photo options, you can either choose an existing picture from your phone's library or simply tap on take photo and take a picture of yourself from your camera. In my case, I'm going to choose an existing photo, so let me tap on choose existing. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your library. Go ahead and select the picture you'd like to choose for your profile or you'd like to change for your Scrabble account. Once you make a selection, you'll be able to see this interface where you'll need to confirm your change. Tap on save in the pop-up to save your changes, and you'll be able to change your profile picture on Scrabble Go. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.